What does this change do now to, I guess, patient safety?
Well, let me say, when a company has a new drug and they're going to apply for what's called an NDA, new drug application, and they make that application, the FDA can decide on having an advisory committee or not. And if they don't have an advisory committee, then it's just the FDA officials working with the drug company through the approval process. But these big, high-level products, let's say the COVID-19 vaccines as an example, they hold an advisory committee. The company representatives they're typically the presenters. They present what's called the core slides at the meeting. And the FDA is there at the meeting, and the advisory panel is typically from academia. Now, there are some consultants that are usually privately employed. I think what they're trying to do, though, is they're trying to get influence out. So if there was a consultant, let's say a statistical consultant, who also has a contract with Pfizer, and then Pfizer is presenting their new drug, well, that's where the bias comes in at the committee level. And so what Macquarie is saying is they're going to clean all that up, and I think it will be an improvement. Now, with the conflict of interest, many times the conflict of interest forms are filled out by the academic committee members, and they'll say, well, they have relationships with these companies, but nothing is done about that disclosure. So, there's going to have to be an action when someone says they're a consultant for Pfizer and Pfizer has their drug up for a vote. They can't be voting on it.